I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Something went wrong, and I'm not taking the blame for it this time. You know, when I was a child, I was rebellious. I was always getting blamed for things. Consequently, I lived my entire life defensively. Are you defensive? If you're defensive, you're protecting something inside you that you really don't want other people to find out about. There's nothing to be defensive about in life, not when you're thriving. If you're surviving, just trying to get by, there's frustration, overwhelm, anxiety, stress, then you're going to be very defensive, because survival is about protecting what you have and getting more, because there isn't enough to go around. Survival's all about competition, frustration. When there's competition, there's only one winner. So even if you're the winner, you're causing someone else to lose. It's no way to live. Thriving is the way to live. Thriving from your heart with love. You see, love doesn't need defense. With love, you give it away. What happens when you give love away? You get more love. Yes. You give it away. Defensiveness is the fertile ground of struggle in life. Guaranteed, it's the worst. I wrote a report called The 7 Saboteurs. It's the worst of all the saboteurs, because it's in defensiveness that rigidity, fear of loss, attachment, all the other saboteurs show up when defensiveness is. You don't need to change this today. All I want to do is create some awareness, because with awareness you can make choices. And when you can make choices, then you have more control over your life. If you have more control over your life, you're going to be happier, and you only have one person to look at who's responsible for bringing you the peace, love, joy, and freedom that you want in your life, and that's you. Nobody else is going to do it from you. It has to come from within. Stopping being defensive is the first step. If you have any stress, overwhelm, anxiety, judgment, blame, shame, guilt in your life, there's a free report below that you can download. 3 steps to banish overwhelm, anxiety, and fear from your life and finally reach your true potential. It's got valuable information in it. Remember, this is an inside game. It has nothing to do with what's going on around you. It's what you're bringing into it. I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. Please leave a comment below, subscribe. Leave a question if there's something that you'd like to learn about in the area of personal transformation or something blocking you. I can give you some great guideposts to get you by it. Thank you very much. I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now.